Hey, what's up everyone? Today we have a fun one. Today we're headed up to Yoshimura R&D of the Americas to get a new exhaust system fitted on our CRF300L Rally, which is right there. That bike's super awesome, but it can always be better, in putting on full Yoshimura AT2 full exhaust system, closed course only, will really waken up this 300L. Who's ready to install an exhaust? Let's go.
Oh no.
All right, we're here with the man, the legend, the E-Meister. E-Meister, you got some new medium boy shirts right there?
Medium and buttery wore those exact shirts, yep.
Really?
Yep.
They come in there and steal them from you guys?
Tried to, but we fixed them up.
Oh, dude, these are sick, dude. Who made these? Did you design them, Justin?
I did not. That was Maki.
Maki did it.
Maki did them, yeah.
Look at this one.
Whoa! Can you translate this into English for me, please?
It says FMF.
It says more speed. Speed rules.
Yep.
And look at these pedals we have here. I didn't know Yoshimura makes cycling pedals.
Oh yeah, the best, of course.
Wow.
Yep. 4 different colors. You can play around with stuff.
What's this mounted dirt here? Do you guys have a cat here? Is this a litter box?
Every studio needs a pile of dirt. You know, it's just, if you don't have a pile of dirt and a bag of rocks, what are you even doing?
What's that on your screen?
More dirt. It's our
What?
dirt.
Is that the litter box?
That's company dirt.
Was that the litter box? You made the litter box and do a photo shoot?
Yeah, buddy.
That is crazy.
That's how we get the extra chocolatey, like dark tones in there. Is
What?
That's chocolate. That's chocolate cake right there.
I like it, dude. James Stewart be pumped on that, dude.
He would.
Yeah.
Anybody be pumped on that.
Remember when he called Ken Roxon German chocolate
Yeah.
in the Supercross broadcast? You know,
James has a lot of fun stuff.
he is. He's the man on and off the track.
Yep.
All right, Biggie, what are we gonna do now, man?
Let's go over here.
Let's do it. What is this relic you have here?
That's Pop Yoshimura's jacket. So that's the famous jacket he wore. And we had a guy reach out to us. He had it in his museum.
Mm-hmm.
And he's like, "Hey, do you guys want this? If you want it, I'll sell it to you." I'm like, "Is this a real jacket?" He's like, he got it from the guy. Basically, Pop put it on Gary Fisher, his shoulders at Daytona, because it got cold and they never got it back.
Wow, dude, that's crazy.
That jacket's probably 50 plus years old.
Dude, look at it. That cool logo right there. That thing is so cool. Very nice.
This is our lobby. I kind of redid it a little bit with our new casual.
Mm-hmm. Where's the Matt Mladen bike?
So this isn't the Matt Mladen bike, but this is the 2024 EWC World Championship bike.
Wow. Look at that work swing arm.
We didn't even clean it.
Dude, look at that work swing arm. How do you put that on my Gixxer 1000R? Look at all that rubber. That's crazy,
That's the
man.
championship rubber burnout.
Wow. Dude, I need to get that work swing arm on my Gixxer 1000R. What am I doing?
I don't know.
Oh, look at this. Radial Brimbos. It's all cherry. Whoa. Look how dirty this thing is, dude.
It's still got the bugs from France.
It's crazy.
These are French bugs on the front.
Look at this Works fuel tank. This looks like the GSXR MotoGP gas tank they have.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Look how big the reservoir is.
Wow, dude.
Just fighting heat.
Moving a lot of brake fluid out of that. That's cool. This thing is so cool to look at, man. What a treat.
Still got the cameras on from the broadcast.
Let's start this thing up, dude. Where's the key?
There's no key.
What?
Yeah, we lost it.
Come on, man. Let's start this thing up. Let's
Lost
let this thing bark.
Look at that thing.
Oh, dude, what's this?
That's the R7 we raced. Actually, Ari Henning raced for us.
Wow,
We were
dude.
developing parts for the R7.
Dude, that thing is sick.
Yeah, Troy Lee Designs painted that. And then he designed the leathers.
Wow.
So it matched the bike.
Look at this, folks. How cool is that? This looks totally awesome. Look at the radial brakes on that. Look at the engine right there. The horizontal shock and that powder-coated orange swing arm.
Airbox in there?
Oh, right here. Yoshimura factory airbox.
And then the Yoshimura factory linkage back there.
Oh, I see it, dude, right here. Crazy. Look at that, folks. Let's start this thing up.
Yeah, we lost the key to that too.
Aw, man, come on, dude. Come on. Really hold out on me. Oh, and there we have it all. The top dog of them all, the 450R.
That's Jet's bike right there.
Yeah, dude, we rode the 26 yesterday. Yep, Jet Lawrence style.
That's the real championship bike, dude.
Mm-hmm. It is?
Yes.
Oh, look at the mag engine covers.
Look on the other side.
Look at that.
The engine case on the other side.
Oh, dude, can I bring this home with me?
Sure.
Can I ride this at Paula on Friday? Come on, man. I bet the shock setting I'll like. Look at the shock, dude. Wow, this thing is works. Look at that Yoshimura racing exhaust. Look at the fit and finish and the craftsmanship. It looks so tasty. Wow, dude. Billet covers on the brake and clutch reservoirs. Very,
Feel
very
the front
nice.
brake, how touchy.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yeah.
That's how he rides it?
Yep.
That's crazy. What fine motor skills he must have.
Fine.
Mm-hmm.
And we got those.
Look, dude, the Hall of Fame, the Wall of Champions.
That's all Honda right there.
That's crazy. Yep.
And
Very,
then there's
very
our
cool.
World Championships up there. The FIM MXGPs from Tim Geiser.
Where's the Mladen bike?
There's Mladen stuff up there.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, you got Jamie James, 89. Yep, I like it. Yeah, very, very cool. That was the heyday, man.
Yep.
The Superbike heyday.
Depending on how much hate you got in the day.
Ha ha ha. Look at this old GSXS 1000 SZ pipe from 1982. Wow, they've come a long way.
A little bit.
Still made in the USA.
Look at the tip. Look how cool this tip is. Look in there. Look at that.
Look at that. It's embossed logo right there. That's so cool. Wow, this is a trip, dude. Thanks for showing us this stuff.
Of course, that's what we're
You
here
even have
for.
a sick exhaust on the monkey. Very, very cool. There's Jason Pridmore when he was 14.
Yeah, this is basically, this whole mural is from 1978 to 2018, like a what's happening each year. You see how that, like right here, goes by year.
There's Amar.
Mm-hmm.
There's Don.
Yep. Richie Doan.
Oh yeah, there's Richie. Yep. He's there. Man, where's Hans, dude? R.I.P. Hans.
I don't.
Hans wasn't here back then.
I don't think so. Looking over here, but I don't see him.
He's gotta be. Where's that big bastard?
There
he is. There's Hans.
That's
That's
Hans right
R.I.P.
there.
R.I.P. Hans. All right, man. Well, now that you showed me what you got, let me show you what I got.
All right.
'Cause, you know, we got something
You
in
got
here.
a Sprinter van, dude.
We got something. Let's see what we got
That
working
thing
with.
is awesome.
We got two bikes. 300L Rally and GSX8 TT.
Nice.
Yep.
Well, we're almost done with our retro-looking exhaust for that baby, but
I can't
we're
wait.
We're gonna put something special on the CRF300.
What are we getting?
It's on the DL.
What? What do you mean the DL, man? The fans gotta know.
They'll know soon enough.
You hear that, fans? You will know soon enough the type of exhaust we are fitting on this bike. All right, we got Big E doing the rev test.
Oh, dude.
Sorry. Did I blow it for you?
Blew my audio.
Sorry, man. Let me turn this
Blew
off.
my audio.
I blew it. I'm gonna take a little pause on that. Big E's doing his little rev test for his Instagram video he does on the Yoshimura R&D official Instagram page. That's his boss, Yusaku. He is the owner of Yoshimura R&D of America. Just getting a little sound clip on this thing before we fit the aftermarket exhaust. All right, guys, we got one more trick up the Yoshimura R&D of America sleeve.
You seen this jacket?
We did. Big E showed it off.
Yeah.
This is your father's or grandfather?
Grandfather.
Grandfather. Wow. Amazing. Does it fit you?
Maybe.
You don't want to put that on, it'll break. That's the bike right there.
What?
You're going to see it right now.
You guys don't have this bike in real life.
1962 CB72.
What?
Yep.
That is sick, dude.
Justin, we're gonna invade your space one more time. Sure.
We want to see the cat litter.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you had this thing hiding in here the whole
dude.
entire time?
We like to hide it.
Yeah, we forgot the first time.
We can't put it out in the open because it's too special. So this is the bike that was raced in
Dun-dun-dun.
the inaugural 1964 Suzuka
Dun-dun-dun.
endurance race.
This is the OG 1964 Suzuka endurance race bike?
Yes.
What?
This team won the race.
Fukumi?
That's a rider's name.
What bike is this? Honda?
Yeah.
Honda CRF300L.
Look at this thing. Can we ride it?
I did.
You did?
Yeah. It's awesome.
What'd you like about it?
Actually, above like a 7,000 RPM, it's pretty punchy. I couldn't believe this is, I don't know, like 70 years old. 60 years old.
Parallel twin?
Yep.
Wow, look at this.
It's freaking loud.
It's really loud.
Look at the instrumentation.
So this is the way the bike was raced. It was put in a crate a year after it raced, and it's never been touched.
Wow, dude. Kickstarter on the right hand side. That's crazy. It's never been touched?
It was raced just like this.
That
I mean,
crazy.
when you soccer rode it, it went to Suzuka for the 60th anniversary.
Mm-hmm.
But they put new tires on it, and Chuck Honeycutt went through the engine to make sure it was all dialed with seals and everything. But when they opened it up, it looked like brand new inside of there, dude. It's crazy.
Yeah, we just open, change it all, put it back, and then ready to go.
Yeah, they were really concerned. Chuck was really concerned about did they put it away right? Because if they put it away with the wrong oil, it was going to be all etched in there, and it was beautiful inside. You could see how Pop Yoshimura, like, he polished every single thing he could polish for less friction.
Wow.
We have pictures inside the engine. It's pretty crazy.
That is so sick, man. We gotta start.
The guy that owns the bike is letting us borrow it until we don't want to borrow it anymore. They're like, you guys can have it for as long as you want it.
Yeah.
We gotta tell them we need to start this bad boy up and see what this
Dude,
thing
you
sounds
need the
like.
biggest earplugs and muffs you can. It's so loud.
I'm just gonna pack my ears with the cat litter and call it good. Let's go in here and see what's up. You again? You're just everywhere, dude.
I'm trying to be. I'm like the government.
Is
Everywhere.
Shut down? Like the government, you're shut down?
Open for business.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this where all the magic happens?
The magic happens out in the shop, but this is where we collect all the magic.
I like it, man. Where's your pen, your writing utensil for this board? I'm gonna make you a note.
A note?
Yeah, I need to make you a note, dude.
Put the note over here, that way I'll see it.
There you go.
See, this is our philosophy right here.
Mm-hmm.
If you want it cheap, you can't have it good. And if you want it fast, it can't be cheap.
I love that one.
It can't be L3.
I watch that YouTube video every night. Yeah. Leave a little note here. Yoshimura Factory Racers. That's what we are, folks. Yoshimura Factory Racers. And that's just how it's gonna go. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Leaving my mark. Yeah, a lot of memorabilia in here, dude.
It's kind of fun, huh?
Tim Geiser jersey? That's sick,
Tim
dude.
Geiser jersey, that's Sexton's
Weston?
jersey.
Yep, yep.
He won in that jersey, I think. I can't
Yeah.
remember. But then this is mostly Honda guys here.
Yep, Wes Cooley, RIP.
Yes. Yep. He signed that, dude.
Oh, that's sick, dude.
Yep.
Yep. That's so cool.
Yeah.
RIP, man.
And then we got this is Marquez's visor and he puck.
Oh, no way. Cool, dude.
Yeah.
Wow. Sick, dude. X14. Oops, sorry. X14, X15? You need to dust this thing off a little bit, dude.
That's called patina.
Yeah, X14 or X15. I can't. Oh, yeah, X14. CWRF. That's X14. Very, very nice. I think it is, at least.
And then that's Joe Shimoda's jersey. He won
Yeah,
Unadilla in.
Size extra small?
he pulled that off and goes, "Here, Biggie, you can have this for the office."
Dude, that's sick, dude. A lot of good memorabilia in here.
Try to keep
RMZ
it real.
450 factory racing.
Yep.
Yep, there we go.
Yep. Got Cab's, one of Cab's decks here.
Oh yeah, dude, Cap is the man, dude.
This is 91 to 200 of these.
Wow. Very
After
cool.
celebrating the 30 years of the half cab.
So you guys are doing pretty good.
We can't complain.
Look at this big hat. Big hat for Big E.
That's right.
Nice. Nice job, Roy.
Thank you.
Getting her done, dude.
Yes, sir.
Did you get a good shot of Roy's hair? Not one out of place. Oh, you messed it up.
It's all gelled out. Yeah, I saw it, dude.